All right, I hope everyone had a nice weekend, a good Easter break, if that's what you were celebrating. And let's look at what we're going to start off with this week. On Monday, clean and jerk, 3 sets of 3 reps. On this, um, you're going to either do 3 cleans and 1 jerk or 1 clean and 3 jerks. And you're going to determine that on which one is your weaker lift. So if you can clean more than you can jerk, then you're just going to do 1 clean and then you're going to do 3 jerks, and then vice versa. If you didn't follow what I just said, that's all right. The coaches will explain that in class. But that's just a way to get a little extra work on your weaker of the 2 lifts. And then whenever you do that lift, you're not as worn out from doing 3 more reps of the other lift. Uh, let's see. Then we're going to do every minute on the minute for 5 minutes, 2 power snatch, followed by 2 squat snatch. Let's see. The weight's going to be 50 to 60% of your 1 rep max. So it should feel relatively light. We really want you getting in reps right here. That's really the purpose of this, is just to get in some more reps with really good form and technique. Then we're going to do Helen. This is a named workout. Most of you have done this before. And if you have, you'll notice down in the bottom I put all the dates that we've ever done Helen at CrossFit Alexandria. So we've done it 12. Well, this will be the 12th time we've done it. Or maybe it's the 13th time. I may have miscounted that. But anyway, we've done it a lot. And if anybody has their score from every time we have done it, you can see the dates down there. The first time we ever did it was December 22nd of 2010. Let me know and you're going to get a very good prize. We're not sure what that is yet though. So it's 3 rounds of run 400 meters, 21 kettlebell swings, and 12 pull-ups. And if you're in foundations and just finished that, you may have recently done this because we get all our foundations people to do it, at least the ones that go through the 6-week foundation. On Tuesday, we're going to do front squats and then push press, 3 sets of 3. I've been told there's been several people that are getting a lot of reps on that last set that we do for max reps. So remember, if you did that this week and you got a whole lot of reps, that means you can probably go heavier your next time. So just remember your weight or about what your weight is and try to push it, go a little bit heavier this time. And some of you have been squeezing out an extra rep or 2, which is great. It's really good if you can push that hard to get an extra rep. Sometimes you just have a little bit left in the tank. Then the conditioning. I really like this. Will be a fun workout. 5 rounds of 5 box jumps, 5 split jerks, and 5 handstand push-ups. Then if you want to do RX Plus, the box jump's a little bit higher, split jerks a little bit more, and handstand push-ups will be done with a 35 or 25-pound plate. That's not deficit to have an ab mat in the middle. Moving on to the next day is deadlift. So this is going to be a deload week if you've been doing deadlift every week. So if you've been coming every week, you deadlifted every week, you're going to do 3 sets of 5 with 80% of your best 5 reps you've ever done. If you don't know exactly what that is, that's okay. The weight today should feel medium to heavy, but you should feel like you should get 5 reps and feel like you could probably do another 4 more. Deload is very important if you're going to continue maintaining strength in the long term. If you missed last week or you've missed any of the deadlifts in the past 4 weeks, so if you missed a Wednesday, don't worry about deloading, just go heavy today for 5. Then in between that, we're going to do max strict pull-ups or hold over the bar for 3 to 5 seconds. If that hold is way too easy, then just go and hold up there as long as you can. Then you're going to do an 18-minute AMRAP with a partner, and you see the movements there. You can split up the reps however you would like, but you are going to run together. And then on Thursday, we're going to do 20 minutes of skill work. So you're going to have extra time. Coaches, be sure and have a plan written out for them to do that entire 20 minutes. And then we're going to do a 5K row for time, which usually takes people anywhere from 19 to closer to 30 minutes. So half the class is going to split up and do the skill work, and the other half class is going to do the row, and then you're going to switch. Then Friday we're doing 3 sets of 3. You're going to do 3 push press or 3x3s, which is 3 push press and 3 front squats. You're going to do 3 sets of that. And then 5 rounds for time of power cleans, knees to elbows, ring dips, and 5 burpees over the bar. The knees to elbows, your knees are actually going to touch your elbows. So if you can see me on the screen, like it's going to actually touch right there. So it, just like on toes to bar, how it takes just that little bit of effort to, or a lot of effort to get that little extra inch. It's the same way with knee ups. And then on Saturday, you're going to do push jerk, 3 sets of 2 is really not touch and go. It's just, I think we just left that over from something else. And then with a partner, you're going to do a 200-meter sled pull together. So both of you are pulling at the same time with either 205 pounds or 160 pounds. So that's 4 45-pound plates for guys and 3 for ladies. Then you'll complete the rest of those, and you'll keep going through that as many times as you can. In 20 minutes, you can split up those reps however you would like.